Here is a 2x2, a 3x3, a 4x4, a 5x5, and a 6x6. Well, Neelansh, don't you have a 7x7? Well, that is not true anymore, because I've got the new 7x7 Rubik's Cube, the YJ YUFU V2 M. Want to know about it? Stay tuned. What's up guys, this is Neelansh. Welcome to my channel, Cubing with Neelansh. So, in this video, we are going to unbox the YJ YUFU V2 M 7x7. Yes, I finally got the 7x7 Rubik's Cube. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's open the box. Wow, I'm very excited about it. So we have got the cube. You get lost, man. Yeah. The cube stand. Yeah, and of course the bill. Get lost. Yeah. Oh my god, we have finally got the YJ YUFU V2 M 7x7. So let's unbox it. Yeah. Oh, I'm very excited about it. Wow. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. The pieces are very small. First turns. Oh, quite looby. First turn. Wow. That's amazing. Nice turn. Let's try some more algorithm. Little bit loose. Yeah, but okay. I prefer this tension. Let's do some more algorithms. Inner layers. Yes, the outer magnets are weak and inner magnets are pretty strong. Wow. Useless. They're lost. So before moving ahead, let's talk about the cube. It is a 69mm magnetic 7x7. It weighs only 212 grams. It uses ABS plastic and costs only $20 or 1400 rupees. Well, I got this from cubelator.com from only 1300 rupees. I think this is the best price. Okay, let's move ahead. Inner layers also very nice. Little bit lockouts, yeah, but okay. But outer layers are extremely fast. Okay, now let's check the corner cutting. Yes, line to line. Pass. Wow, pretty decent for a 7x7. Reverse. Yeah, good. But I'll suggest do not corner cut for big cubes. I mean, do not intentionally corner cut, because then this happens. Big cubes are not meant for corner cutting or reverse corner cutting. Not that much really. But yeah, the corner cutting is decent. Well, I do not have any complaint about this cube. This cube is really awesome. I think this is the best cube in this price range. So if you are going to take a 7x7, I think you should go for this cube, because the shades are really awesome, corner cutting is great, and of course this is extremely fast. I cannot find any mistake in this cube. This cube is really great. Okay, now let's try some patterns. We all know that the 7x7 is famous for its checkerboard pattern. Yeah, that looks really nice, isn't it? Let's try one more. The shades are too good. Wow, that looks so nice. Hypnotism. So that is it for the video, guys. Do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, just hit that like button. Just smash it. Okay, thank you for watching.